Good morning. Do you see the bunny footprint? Look it. There's bunny footprints. Do you see the bunny footprints? The bunny was here. That's Mama's camera. You see the bunny footprints? The bunny was here. You want to go see what they lead to? Let's go follow the bunny footprints. Yeah. Do you see more bunny footprints? There's more. Where's more bunny footprints? Where's more bunny footprints? Let's see. Look this way. There's bunny footprints. Do you see more bunny footprints? Do you see more bunny footprints? There's more. And there's more bunny footprints. I think there's one more bunny footprints. Maybe Daddy can raise you up so you can see. Happy Easter, Boogie. What did the bunny bring you? Did the bunny bring you lots of stuff? Yeah. What did the bunny bring you? Yeah. He brought you lots of yummy things. Did he bring you your favorite cookies? You smile. Say good morning.
I didn't think that was
yeah, that was going to be a good one. All right.